Creating a robot for fighting involves several technical skills and considerations. Here are some general steps to guide you, but please note that building a fighting robot can be complex and potentially dangerous. Ensure you have the necessary knowledge, experience, and follow safety precautions when attempting any robotics project. 1. Define the purpose and rules. Determine the type of robot combat you want to participate in, such as sumo, BattleBots, or Robot Wars. Understand the rules, weight classes, and restrictions of the competition you plan to enter. 2. Research and design. Study existing combat robots to get an understanding of their construction and design principles. Decide on the weight class and determine the size, shape, and features of your robot. Develop a detailed design plan, including the materials, components, and mechanisms you will use. 3. Gather materials and components. Acquire the necessary materials, such as metal or strong plastics for the frame, armor, and weapon systems. Gather the required electronic components, including motors, batteries, speed controllers, and sensors. Ensure you have the necessary tools for fabrication, such as drills, saws, and soldering equipment. 4. Mechanical construction. Build the robot's chassis or frame according to your design. Install the motors, wheels, and drivetrain system for locomotion. Add necessary components like shock absorbers, stabilizers, and armor plates for protection. 5. Electrical and electronics. Design and assemble the electrical system, including wiring, connectors, and switches. Connect the motors to the speed controllers and batteries. Install any additional electronic components like sensors, microcontrollers, or radio systems for remote control. 6. Weapon and armor. Design and construct your robot's weapon system, such as spinning blades, hammers, flippers, or pneumatic systems. Focus on durability and effectiveness while adhering to competition rules. Enhance the robot's armor to withstand impacts and attacks from opponents. 7. Testing and refinement. Conduct thorough testing of your robot's systems to ensure they function properly. Identify and address any mechanical or electrical issues that arise during testing. Fine-tune the robot's performance by adjusting control algorithms, weight distribution, or weapon systems. 8. Safety considerations. Prioritize safety throughout the construction process. Follow safety guidelines for electrical work, such as proper insulation and circuit protection. Use appropriate safety equipment when testing the robot. Remember, these steps provide a general overview, and the specifics will depend on the type and complexity of the robot